how to send cash on Cash App. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to send cash on Cash App. To send cash on Cash App, you want to open your Cash App application. Make sure that the app on your phone and ensure that you're logged in. And next, on the main screen, you want to tap the dollar icon at the bottom center to initiate the payment. So there you have these button, click on it. Next, you could see the options, so simply click on the dollar icon at the bottom, tap on the amount of money that you want to send, and next, after entering the amount, you want to press the pay button. Once you're done, in the field or in the to field, enter the recipient cash tag, phone number, and email address. Then you could add a note for a payment to describe what it is for, and select your funding source from your Cash App balance or a linked bank account debit card. And what you need is here, you have to confirm the pay button. So tap on the pay again to send the money, and then authenticate. You may be asked to confirm your PIN or face the ID as well. And that is how you could send cash to Cash App. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.